This world runs on money, and if you have to survive on earth, you have to play by its rules. And the key is to keep the difference in control. Some people earn and then spend it all. They earn again and spend it all again. They earn again and spend it all again. Do you find it similar to something? Doesn't it look like refueling a car and driving, refueling it again and driving, and again refueling and again driving? Isn't it? You know what happens to the car after 15 years? We all know it. It becomes a scrap. It goes into the scrapyard. Your life, which all this while ran on this philosophy of earn, spend, earn, spend, earn, spend, in the end, you will end up in the scrapyard too. There is one way and only one way to change it all. And it is to take control of the difference. This video and the complete video series in this playlist is for everyone who is on this earth and is on the verge of taking control of his or her finances. The concept of today's video is very, very simple. Everybody knows it. We all know it. But yet, many miss it completely. It's just like Mr. Jim Rohn says,
what's easy for one person is easy for everyone. But let me express it in a philosophical way, as I tend to be a bit philosophical. Here it is. What's easy to do is also easy not to do. That's the distinction between success and failure.
And that is exactly where this video focuses on. So don't miss a bit. Like this video right away and subscribe to this channel so this video can reach a lot of people. See, there are some important concepts of personal finance which every individual should be aware of. Well, earning and spending is what we all know. But what's more important is what lies between earning and spending. What lies in between them? And what lies between is the difference. And this is exactly what will take you from where you are right now to where you will be at the end of your life. Thanks to credit cards, a product which does not have much upside apart from the paltry discount that it gives while shopping. But on the downside, if you cannot drive this product well, it's going to take you down to the Mariana Trench. And as Dave says, it's the cigarette of the financial world.
The credit card is the cigarette of the financial world.
Indeed. First, it lures you with a zero joining fee. Second, it lures you with a zero annual maintenance fee. So virtually, it's free for you. Free! That is the first trap. And then, when you swipe, when you make a purchase, it gives you up to 45 days of interest-free loan. That's the second trap. And then, discounts in shopping. Done. You are trapped. A person who has been living his life, all his life, on spending less than what he or she has earned, is exposed to a 45-day interest-free loan. Free cash, which he or she can use to buy products that she likes. And that too with a discount. Something you want to buy, you get a discount, and that too you don't have to pay for 45 days. Isn't it amazing? Suddenly your dream car is within your reach because of the car loan. Suddenly all consumer durables starts looking affordable. You can now buy an expensive phone or an expensive gadget, electronic gadget. How can one resist this? How can one resist this temptation? And that is the deciding factor. The factor that will take you from where you are now to your final destination. So the more difference you have in their favor, the more deeper you're digging your own hole. And now with these luring offers and the loans, they have already got you. They have already put their hands into your savings. And even before you know what has happened, they have locked you out completely. And now you are at the point of no return. And that is where these so-called amazing products actually hits your emotional and behavioral patterns. It actually hits your behavior and your savings. And they start eating you off all your possibilities. If this is where you are right now, you know they have already pierced you. Now it's time for them to suck you empty. Now just imagine if it's just the opposite. How would it look like? The more difference you have in your favor, the more you can use it to create wealth for yourself. Wealth creation, well, that's a different video altogether. It's for a different topic. But for now, what one should focus is on the difference. The difference between your earnings and your expenditure. We all know the simple formula: earnings minus expenditure is the savings. So the more you have this in your control, it's more likely that you are going to create wealth for yourself. And the more you give this in their control, the more likely they are going to create wealth with your money. So here is the mindset. It's very crystal clear and simple. Spend less than you make and use the difference to grow and create wealth. But you have to fight. There is a big fight. The fight to control your emotions. The fight to control your emotion when you see an ad that hits you emotionally. The fight to control your greed when they launch a new phone or a new car or a new electronic gadget or anything, absolutely, which you do not have right now and you want it. The fight to control your excitement when there is a huge discount or an advertised sale going on. The fight to control your impulses when there is an attractive deal right out of nowhere. It's the fight to control the 5 senses: eyes, ear, nose, tongue, and skin. All these senses gets hit hard every day. Do take care of them well, definitely, but do not over pamper them. And if you can do this, you will have good control on your savings, which you can then really make use of to make a big difference in your life. How? We'll see that in the next video. So subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified when that video comes out. And if you want to see the remaining videos of this playlist, here they are. Go ahead and click on it right now. As of this video, adios.